Sir, we've reached the rendezvous coordinates. No contacts. Looks like the Mobius ship hasn't arrived yet.
That's strange. It ain't like them to be late.
Sir, Dominion ship's warping in. Mengsk's flagship is leading them.
Sweet mother of mercy.
Sir, their shields are still down. I don't like this.
Matt, pull us alongside and prep docking tubes.
Commander, this is not a smart move.
You wanted your revolution, kid. Now you got it.
Turn around, Arcturus. I want you to see this coming.
You won't find my father here, Commander. I am Valerian Mengsk, and I own the Mobius Foundation. Through them, I own you as well.
Tell me why I shouldn't kill you right now.
Because I can offer you what you've always wanted. A chance to rescue Sarah Kerrigan.
The artifact fragments you've been collecting are of Zelnaga origin. With them, I can construct a device that will reverse the infestation that transformed Kerrigan into the Queen of Blades. You're the only man who's been close to her and lived to tell the tale. You know her tactics, you know her strategies. And I know you'd risk anything for the chance to bring her back.
Sir, tell me you're not seriously considering this deal with Valerian.
Sounds like a golden deal to me, Jimmy. Kerrigan turns human, takes a bullet between the eyes. You can put your past to rest and still make one hell of a payday.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Tygus.
Assaulting Char is a suicide mission. You'd be putting all our lives on the line just to get your girlfriend back.
This is bigger than all of us, Matt.
It ain't about me. This is the only real chance we're ever gonna get, and I'm taking it.
So which is it gonna be, Jimmy? We bringing Kerrigan back, or putting her in the ground?
That's for me to decide.
You both got a lot of prep work to do. Get to it.
No, no shame. Teacher tried to tell me, boy, you never get no way. I never got to college, but I sure got it.
So, what's the problem, Swan?
What's the problem? You only signed us up with our mortal enemies. Every one of these boys lost family or friends to Mengsk. We're gonna be sitting on a powder keg pretty soon. Can't you see that?
It ain't up for discussion, Swan. I gotta do this.
So these artifacts are the key to freeing Kerrigan. Pretty amazing coincidence Tygus just showing up out of the blue, offering us the job to collect these damn things.
Statistically, sir, the probability of coincidence is minuscule. However, these artifacts do represent a power beyond our current scientific understanding. If anything could give the Queen of Blades pause, perhaps these are it?
All this ancient alien hocus pocus is a little out of my pay scale. I just pray that when the time comes, these things bring her back to me.
Sir, we're receiving a transmission from the Bucephalus. Prince Valerian's holding on the communicator for you. Sir, I have to question your objectivity on this alliance. It's obviously a trap.
I got it covered, Matt. I'm asking you to trust me.
We were starting to make real progress against Mengsk. If we go after the Queen of Blades, we're throwing that away.
This is bigger than Mengsk. Matt, if we succeed on Char, we'll save billions of lives. Billions. Mengsk can wait.
I didn't sign up for this.
You signed up to follow my orders. If you can't do that anymore, then get the hell off my ship!
Sir.
You sure about this? You gotta know Mengsk is gunning for you. He'll hit you in a way you'll never see coming.
I can handle Mengsk, Tygus.
Just watch your back, old buddy. That's all I'm asking.
I said I can handle it. If you don't want to be a part of this, you can take your 30% and go.
This is Kate Lockwell for UNN. Tonight, top Dominion military analysts are still confused and relieved to report that while attacks do continue throughout the Fringe, the main Zerg push into Dominion space seems to have slowed.
That's wonderful news, Kate. Our boys have really taken the fight to the Zerg.
Of course, Donnie. But there's also a sense that whatever the Zerg were after, they either got it or they've given up on it. We may never know.
You heard it here first.
You came to the right place.
Commander, our mutual friends at the Mobius Foundation have located the last artifact fragment. When this final piece is secured, we can proceed to Char and confront Kerrigan. Good luck, Mr. Rayner. I fear you'll need it.
We have the Odin. Now we can use it to spearhead our takeover of the UNN studios on Core Hall. Once the Odin has taken out their defenses, we'll broadcast our evidence against Mengsk. Figure they'll throw everything they have at us. They'll be talking about this one for years.
Our raid on the Valhalla facility hasn't even been reported yet. The Dominion have no idea we stole the Odin. I had to call in every favor I had, but I got the Odin on the surface with Tychus inside.
Matt, you're a miracle worker. Must have been a complicated operation.
You don't even want to know, sir. I'm not gonna let anything keep us from exposing Mengsk.
So they're still expecting to film it at the UNN studios later today?
That's right. And we won't disappoint them. Seeing as he's the only one with experience, Tychus will pilot the Odin and hit the studio guards with a surprise attack. They'll be confused for several minutes, and won't even know who to attack at first.
And during the confusion, we'll establish a forward base using this command center we acquired earlier. Pretty devious, Matt. I like it.
If Tychus can inflict enough damage during the sneak attack, making the broadcast should be relatively easy. Keep in mind, we'll only have a few minutes before the Dominion realize that Tychus is in the Odin. Once they figure it out, they'll use everything they've got to stop us.
Whatever happens, we'll be giving Mengsk one hell of a broadcast. Let's do this.
I'm in the Dominion security network, bringing up their locations now.
All right, Tychus. Do you think?
thought she'd never ask.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Odin has gone rogue. Repeat, Odin has gone rogue. Bring it down!
Attention, rogue pilot. This is General Warfield of Dominion Command. You're ordered to stand down or face immediate termination.
I like it. Heavy duty. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Hope this thing's insured. Heavy duty. Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done. I like it. This'll get her done. I like it. Heavy duty. Make room for the big dog. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty. This'll get her done. Make room for the big
Not
dog.
enough energy.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty. This done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. This'll get her done. Heavy duty. I like it. Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty.
An alert's gone out. It won't be long before they shut me out of their system.
Don't rush me, kid. Can a man take some pleasure in his work?
Behold the Dominion's newest weapon of war, the Odin.
Fortune favors the bold.
I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done. I like it. Make room for the big dog.
We're almost out of time.
Don't sweat it.
Big dog. Heavy duty.
The Dominion switched to a secure channel. I can't track their positions anymore. But I have gained access to the UNN network. We'll need troops to stay close to one of the broadcast towers long enough to get our message out. For our broadcast to reach all of Dominion space, we'll need to control each broadcast tower long enough to upload the data. Any unit type can maintain control.
You can bet Max will have something to say about that. Let's get moving.
Huh? Big job, huh?
Our base is up and running. I'm transferring control of it to you now, sir.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Go ahead. Bandit.
Hardware inbound. These stores are smaller than the Odin, but they handle better and they still hit hard. Enjoy.
SCV ready.
That big dog is all mine.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Let's see what this baby's got.
In the rear with the gear.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
SCV ready. What's going on? Well, butter by a biscuit. It's your dime. SCV ready. SCV ready. Huh? Uh-huh.
Let's see what this baby's got.
SCV ready. Will do. Big job, huh? We hear you. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yeah, whatever.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
I like it.
SCV ready. Bad news.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Add-on complete.
Yeah. What's going on? Huh?
Add-on complete.
In the rear with the gear.
It followed me home.
SCV ready.
Can I keep it?
Bad news. SCV.
The doctor is in.
Go ahead. Yep. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yo. Big job, huh? You're the boss. It's about to get heavy. SCV ready. This better be good. Yes, sir. Who wants some? Got a whole lot of love. What's going on? Yeah. Been waiting on you. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Yeah, whatever. SCV ready. Got it.
Not enough minerals.
It followed me home.
It's go time.
Can I keep it? Let's see what the...
Just say when. SCV, it's about to get heavy. Go ahead. Yeah. Huh? It's your dime.
Not enough minerals.
Kaboom, baby!
Can I keep it? Let's see what this baby's got.
It's off.
Rock and roll. I like it.
Bad news. Go, go, go!
Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some? In the rear with the gear.
Additional supply depots required.
This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
What's going on? Ah! Bad news? I'm going. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Move it. Oh, want a piece of me, boy?
It followed me home. Can I keep it? Make room for a big dog. Heavy duty. I like it.
The doctor is in.
Want a piece of me, boy? Rock and roll.
Make room for a big dog. It followed me home. Heavy gangway coming through. Magna rock and roll, armed and ready. Make room for the big dog. Let's see what this baby's got. I like it.
Boy is here.
Upgrade complete.
Boy is here.
Upgrade complete.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Base is under attack.
Explorer reporting.
The doctor is in.
Let's see what this baby's got.
The doctor is in.
They followed me home.
Add-on complete.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it.
Gangway coming through. We could use some help here.
Heavy.
This better be good.
Follow me home.
Security breach at one of the towers. Strike Team Alpha, engage. Stop them.
Yeah, come and fight me. Go, go, go. Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. They followed me home.
I'm in deep.
Heavy duty. This will get it done. Let's see what this baby's got. It followed me home.
First transmission uploaded. Even Mengsk won't be able to wriggle out of this one.
Incoming transmission.
There's only one man arrogant enough to think he can get away with this. Raynor.
Huh. Just for once, Arcturus, this really is all about you. I hope you enjoy our show.
I knew it. Warfield, get your men down there. I want Raynor's head, you understand? Him and all his terrorist friends.
Upgrade complete.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Upgrade complete.
I'm in a pickle.
This'll get her done. Make. Let's see what this baby's got.
Fueled up, ready to go.
Mineral field depleted.
I like it.
Mineral field depleted.
Heavy duty.
Add-on complete.
They're attacking a tower. Strike Team Bravo. Take them out.
Mineral field depleted.
This will get her done.
Boy, I'm in a world of hurt.
Like it.
Human tenacity and ingenuity have come together to forge the final answer to the Zerg threat.
We're almost done transmitting Mengsk's dirty little secret to the Dominion.
Get me back!
It followed me home.
Got no weight! Sitting around!
Let's see what this baby's got.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
The doctor is in.
I like it.
Some might balk at the cost of such a magnificent machine, but I say to you,
This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
We can use some help here.
Mineral field depleted.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
You better send some body bags.
This'll get her done.
Squash 'em. We can use some help here.
Base is under attack.
Let's see what this baby's got.
implacable, relentless, invincible. The Odin is a stirring symbol of the unyielding strength of the character.
Let's see what this baby's got. It followed me home.
Strike Team Charlie, get to that tower. Bring down those rebels.
Let's see what this baby's got. Let's see what this baby's got. Hope this thing's insured.
Want some?
Follow me home. Can I keep it? This.
That's the last one. Let's see what the people will think of their beloved Emperor now.
All transmissions have been sent, sir. Every world in the Dominion just got a UNN special bulletin about Mengsk.